You're losing over 30% of your workday to document chaos. That's 2.5 hours every single day just hunting for files that should be at your fingertips. Picture this scenario. It's 4 p.m., your client is waiting on the phone, and you need that contract you know you saved somewhere. You're clicking through hundreds of files with meaningless names like document1.pdf and scan score 22411201.jpg. Legal contracts buried next to invoices, mixed with random screenshots. Every click feels like a small defeat. We've all been there.
Look at this transformation. Where chaos once lived, AI File Pro created intelligent folder structures, evidence and investigation, client and case info, financial documents. Every file exactly where logic says it should be. But here's the real game changer. Every file now has a descriptive, searchable name that actually tells you what's inside. That random document 042.pdf, now it's Acme Corp. Merger Agreement Due Diligence Review.pdf. That meaningless scan, now it's Johnson versus Smith Witness Statement Maria Rodriguez.pdf.
Need something specific? Just ask in plain English. Show me all Acme Corp contracts or find last quarter's invoices. Instant results every single time. No more digital archaeology, just answers. Get it on Microsoft AppSource.